grown-up that can't swim. There, I said it. I just never learned how, but I'm about to change that today. So I reached out to Sensational, a swim school that sends instructors like Charisse to your home. She shared 3 steps that had me paddling through the pool in just 30 minutes. The first step to swimming, breath control.
If you don't know how to hold your breath underwater, then you're not going to be able to swim or move around in the pool very well.
Breath control eases you into the highly unnatural state of having your head underwater. Breathe in, go under, breathe out. Water didn't get in my nose. Yay, okay. Dunking was simple, but going face down in the water was a little scary for me. But I eventually got it.
Wow, that was a little bit scarier than I thought.
Yeah.
Okay.
Practice.
Okay, so, wow.
Once you're cool with holding your breath underwater, it's time to start floating. Now, being horizontal in the water is not something I was super comfortable with, but I went for it anyway.
There you go. Oh, there you go. And then you'll want to push your tummy up a little bit, and then also take a big breath and hold it. And then that's how you float. And then, yeah, there you go. You're doing it.
And finally, my learning how to swim journey ends with, well, swimming. Take a breath, float face down, start stroking with your arms and kicking your feet, all while remembering to come up for air.
Yay! I'm a swimmer.
Yeah. And now I'd say the next step is trying it without the noodle.
Oh, because I have the noodle. I thought that wasn't so bad. Great. What's next?
But no noodle, no problem. I got this.
I'm not just a floater anymore.
Don't be scared. Take the plunge.
Coming in first. Christina Phelps.
Learning to swim is on the to-do list. For the latest trends, deals, and life hacks, go to thelisttv.com.